The real estate market in February of 2022 ended as a repeat performance of many of the months we've seen previously. However, one thing that's clear is what was going on in the world around us ended February like something we haven't seen in a very long time. Hi, this is Erin Eicher, Managing Broker with RE/MAX Pinnacle. I want to run through the numbers for February, but at the end of this video, I want to talk a little bit about how the conflict in the world may have an impact on real estate demand and real estate prices. So let's look at the numbers and then we'll dig in on that. February ended with a median single-family residential selling price of $665,000. That's a 24.3% increase from February of last year. With 120 active listings in February, that's down almost 40% from February last year, with only 81 new active listings coming on the market. Average days on market continued to hover right around 3 months at 90 days, with 69 residential sales in the month of February. Remember, when we compare that to February of 2021, which was also a tight market with not as many sales as we had seen in previous years, to have that down even further, down 13.8%, is pretty remarkable. Average sales price for a single family home year to date is over $800,000 at $820,000. And townhomes and condos continue to have a very strong performance, staying consistently average above $500,000. Much of this, driven by tight inventory and high buyer demand, is a repeat of what we'd seen in the past. However, headed into March, there's so much uncertainty in this world. So let's talk about that and let's talk about what's happening. First and foremost, the next meeting for the Federal Reserve is on March 15th. There are some indications out there that they may slow their progress of increasing interest rates in that meeting slower than they had originally planned. We've already seen mortgage rates dip a little bit as some are a little bit unsure and consumer confidence seems like it may be going down. If they reduce their aggressive plan of increasing interest rates and mortgage rates follow suit and continue to stay low, then buyers will still be able to get money at attractive rates, which will keep their buying power higher than it typically would have been or than we forecasted it would have been. And let's talk about gas prices. Nationally, in the last 2 weeks, we've seen an increase in gas prices over 20%. Historically, increases in gas prices has not had a major impact on real estate values, especially in areas where there's low commute. However, in a resort area like Durango and surrounding mountain communities, one thing we have to pay attention to is the reduction in buyer demand from out-of-area buyers coming and visiting, especially as we head into spring break and the summer season. A reduction in buyer demand, regardless of interest rates, will no doubt have an impact on the properties that had historically been selling in multiple offers and way over list price. There's still a lot out there that's uncertain and a lot that could change in this next month. I think we'll see a bigger impact probably in April and May than we may see in March, but we do know that there are some buyers who are becoming a little bit more hesitant. Sellers still seems to be a good selling market, and this time of year is a fantastic time to list. As I've said in the past, the best way to make a good decision around buying or selling is to quiet the noise around you and make the decision based on your life and your quality of life. I hope this was helpful. Reach out to your agent and talk to them about where they see the market is going. And if there's anything that we can do to help, don't hesitate to reach out to us as well. Have a nice day.